Hi loves! Welcome back to my video. This is actually part 2 of my DIY lash lift / eyebrow lamination using the same Iconsign lash lift kit. It's actually a lash lift kit, but I've seen several videos that they use this to laminate their brows. So basically, eyebrow lamination, if you're not aware, ito yung itataas nyo yung strand ng eyebrows mo para mas maging feathered looking siya. I think I have decent amount of eyebrow hair. Let me show you how my eyebrow looks like. I don't have any products on. I've seen mixed reviews about using the products eyebrows, so I'm quite nervous at the same time. So yun. Okay, so let's start. Again, I already washed my face, so I think I don't have to use the step number 4 cleanse. Dun sa pinanood kong tutorial, Filipina din siya. I'm gonna link her information and the video down below. Sinunod-sunod lang niya yung tutorial or yung instructions, like the way you do your lashes. So, ginamit niya yung eyelash na to para itayo yung kilay niya. So, I think I'm gonna do that as well. And then, get any spoolie. Ito, gagamitin ko to, and it has pigments, but I think that's fine. Ayan. Tataas mo lang siya. Like how you would like it. I think I need to add more. Okay, I think that's enough. And then, lagay na natin yung perm. But I think I have to wait for a minute. Since dun sa instructions, you have to wait for a minute. Okay, so it's been 12 minutes since I applied the fixation. So, i-cleanse na natin siya. Unahin natin tong brows na to. Ooh, that feels good. I'm gonna use this one instead. It's a cotton square. Then we're gonna use the cleanse. We're gonna apply the nutrition serum. May natin ayusin. Ayusin muna natin itong part nito. Okay, it looks crazy right now, but fingers crossed it would turn out good. This is way easier than doing the lash because you don't have to put silicone in it like obviously. Like, obviously. So, I think I'd be buying more of this kit just for the brow alone. I will definitely do the lashes as well, but I like the result so far. And we're gonna put the solution on the other eye, the nutrition part. The cleanser, I feel like I'm gonna go through this like a lot faster than the other solutions, simply because we used this twice. Well, in my case, I didn't use it the first time, like the first time applying it, simply because I already cleansed my face and I don't see the point of like cleansing it because it's already clean. That's what I'm gonna keep applying like every other day, so that the nutrition, yeah, because at the end of the day, you damage your brows and your lashes. It looked, it's more flexible, I would say. Let's see. So it's, ano ba yun? Wet pa. It's a lot fuller looking, and it's more flexible. Like, if you want it in a specific style, your hands or your hair strand are a bit upward, I think mas sumusunod yung hair strand mo. So far, walang stinging sensation, walang itchiness, no redness, and mind you, I have very, very sensitive skin. First impression, it's good. I like it. I'll definitely give you an update tomorrow. So definitely, I will highly recommend this kit. This lash glue for the eyebrows, it worked because it doesn't necessarily needs to be stuck on the skin. So I think this would work, but for the lashes, watch my video. Because it's very easy, a lot easier and less time consuming compared to what I was doing. It's eyelashes ko. I like how it looked effortless. It looked very feathered. That's the exact look that I am going for. And I also like that so far, right now, there's no irritation, there's no stinging, it's no tingling effect. I think, I mean, no, I don't think. Not that I don't think, I love it. 10 out of 10, like, for me. Definitely worth it. Like, at maraming beses ko pa siyang magagamit. Diba? I really enjoyed it. Yun, yan yung close-up niyan. Not bad. Like, I would definitely do it. I don't see it working though for someone that has less eyebrows. I don't know, you might want to try. Leave your comments down below sa mga nakatry na. But if you have a lot of hair, I think I can see this working.
Tomorrow for sure. Eventually.
Hi guys, just a quick update dun sa eyebrow lamination. I know I said dun sa video that I'll update you tomorrow, but I was thinking na kung gagawa rin naman akong update, why not like 2 weeks after I filmed the video. I filmed the video last June 27th. So it has been 15 days. And so far, I really love it so much. I highly recommend it. It's not as flexible, or it's not as parang mas sumusunod compared to the first week that I have it, but it's still way better. My brows looks fuller, and lalo na pag ginamitan mo ng eyebrow gel. The eyebrow gel that I'm using, most of the time is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I think this is the deluxe size, or I'm not sure if this is the full size. But yun, I'm gonna give you a close-up. And yan din yung sa lashes ko, nakataas pa sila. I highly recommend it. Sobrang ganda niya kasi nakataas lang siya and it looks fuller. Sobra. Yun lang nga, ang cons na nakita ko is pagising mo, medyo unruly yung brows. Medyo sabog siya, but I think it's okay kasi pag binasama naman yung brows mo or naghilamos ka, which I think you would do, right, pagkagising mo, bumabalik siya sa dati. Bumabalik naman siya sa ayos. Sobrang ganda ng brows, lalo na in person. It looks way darker. I have a lot of hairs sa eyebrows ko, pero ang problema ko talaga is they are not as dark as I want them to be. So, yun, ang ginagawa ko talaga is mascara para mas nakatayo din and feathered. But after I used the eyebrow lamination, I don't feel the need to use mascara because they are already feathered and they look fuller na. So I do love it. I highly suggest you do it if you can, but just use it at your own risk. Do a patch test kasi hindi lahat magre-react ng same way kung paano nag-react yung skin ko. I have very sensitive skin, but as in hanggang ngayon walang reaction. Hindi ako tinigyawat whatsoever, no rashes. Yun. It's 319 pesos. I'm gonna link it down below, and probably a month from now, balik kayo dito sa video na to para ma-notify ko kayo kung gaano siya tumagal. Yun, I hope you find this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo whenever I upload new videos. And that's it for today. Bye!